It's sort of like when we put our straws into our juice boxes. The other kind of food is called pollen, and pollen is a dust that's all over the flower. So here's what happens. Our hungry bee goes out to the orchard and lands on one of these flowers and starts drinking that nectar up. But when she does, she gets the pollen all over the hairs on her body. Well, after her first flower, she's still pretty hungry. So she looks and finds another flower. When she lands on that second flower, the pollen falls off and lands on the flower. And that's how we get our word pollination. So what happens is the petals on the flower fall away. Where the flower used to be, we get seeds and fruit. So that's how we get our apples. That's how we get our pumpkins. That's how we get all the fruits and vegetables that we enjoy comes from the bees and pollination. Well, eventually our worker bee gets nice and full of nectar, so she goes flying back to the hive, and she wants to tell all her friends where to find this yummy food. But she can't talk like you and I can, so instead she has to do some dances. So let's have everyone stand up, and we're going to learn the 2 bee dances. All right, the first dance is called the round dance, and that's if the flowers are nearby. So let's everyone get your wings flapping. There we go. What noises do bees make? There we go. Let's turn around in a circle, and we're going to use our tails, and we're going to point to the flowers. There you go. All right, that's what the bees do. Now, sometimes the flowers are really far away. If the flowers are far away, they do the wagtail dance. So let's get our wings flapping again. Go ahead and stand up. This is dance number 2. Let's get our buzzers buzzing. Let's turn around in a circle. And then turn around the other way. And